If you want to pull a specific Trello card into your workflow, this is the quickest way to do it in N8N. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to get a card using Trello in N8N step by step so you can connect your boards, fetch the exact card you need, and use that data inside your automation. If this video helps, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more N8N tutorials just like this. Alright, let's jump in. First, open the workflow you want to work on inside N8N. Make sure you're in the correct automation because everything you set up from here will apply to that workflow. Once you're inside the workflow canvas, go to the nodes panel on the side. This is where you can search for and add different app integrations and workflow actions. From the nodes panel, choose Trello. You can either search for it directly or scroll until you find it. After selecting Trello, look through the available actions and choose Get a Card. This is the option you need when your goal is to retrieve one specific Trello card and bring its details into N8N. Next, choose the credential you want to use. This connects N8N to your Trello account, so make sure you select the correct saved credential if you already have one set up. If you do not have one yet, you would need to create and authenticate the connection first, then come back and select it here. Once the credential is selected, move on to configuring what you want to get. This is where you define the exact card you want N8N to pull in. Depending on the node settings, you may need to specify the board, list, card ID, or any other required card information so N8N knows exactly which card to retrieve. Take a moment to check each field carefully and make sure the values match the Trello card you want. After that, review your setup one more time and make sure the node is configured the way you want it. At this point, the Trello Get a Card node is ready to be used in your workflow, and you can continue building the rest of your automation around the card data you've just pulled in. That's it. You've now learned how to get a card using Trello in N8N. If this video helped, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more simple N8N workflow tutorials.